Did you know there's a temple in Chennai where the Lord had to travel 30 kilometers just to catch up with the devotee? This is the Bhaktavatsala Perumal Temple. When the saint poet Thirumangai Azhwar visited, the Lord was so distracted by a conversation with the goddess that he forgot to greet him. Insulted, the poet left for Mahabalipuram. But the goddess Ennai Petra Thayaar insisted the Lord go and make amends. He followed the poet for miles just to hear his hymns. But the miracles don't stop there. Look at this massive tank, the Varuna Pushkarani. Legend says Varuna and the king of the oceans, Samudraraja, lost their divine glory. They came here to perform intense penance to Lord Vishnu. The Lord was so moved by their devotion that he restored their powers. That's why this town is called Thirunindravur, the place where the goddess stood to bless all. This is more than a temple, it's a place of reconciliation. Whether it's a devotee's hurt feelings or a god's lost glory, everything is restored here by the Mother's grace. A must visit Divya Desam just outside Chennai. Have you felt the peace of Thirunindravur yet? Let me know in the comments.